What would happen if I kept grinding this green grass, mixing it with some liquid? Would it stay this green? I don't know the answer to that question. That's why I'm talking to you, Pigment Hut. Did you just say Piggy Hut? No, I said Pigment Hut. Because I buy art supplies at the art store. I won't give the names that I like because, in a way, they all kind of suck. That's a very negative way to start the day on such a beautiful day. I look out, how many greens are behind me right now? You can't even count. That just means you're not good at mixing, Dave. That may be true. But I know someone in here who knows science and who knows art theory, knows where cobalt, true cobalt, comes from and why they don't make it anymore. Some of this poisonous stuff they use in pigments in the past. I would love a hut where there's a mad scientist, a mad creator, a mad genius in there just mixing pigments and powders from ochres to reds to blues. And I would like to use your paints to paint something. If someone's open to the challenge, I would love if there was a pigment hut, because I want to paint with homemade paints where someone went on a hike, someone walked through their backyard, through their house, through nature, anywhere, and found colors and was able to replicate that in paint form. Dosame.